Welcome to today's episode on my channel. Today we want to unbox the ring light and then show you how to set it up and then tell you a few of two things that a ring light can afford you if you're into YouTubing or photography. The usage of ring lights is so vast, but today we just want to do with the unboxing, how to set it up, and how to properly position it to give you maximum lighting. So without further ado, we'll just go straight into the video, and please watch out to the end of the video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so now. Hit the subscription button somewhere down there, turn on your post notification, and you will continue to see great content from this video. Much later, I am going to also show you a very good light. We call it the Ulanzi light. Ulanzi light is one of the great lights you can have if you can afford it. Well, it's good. It's not too expensive. It's really affordable. But today we just want to go straight to the unboxing of the Grandmaster in the ring light here. So, you see our ring light. This is how it came. So, I've just go and open it and then show you what you're going to have inside this ring light and then how you're going to set it up. So let's get into the video proper. So I'm going to go ahead with the unboxing. I'm going to turn on the headphone and then see what's inside the camera. This is the 18 inches RGB ring light. So this RGB ring light came with a tripod stand. The tripod is about 2.1 meter long. So the tripod stand here, very nice. If you put it up, set it up, it's super long enough to give you what you want. Let me just unscrew it. Let's start the setting up. So you're going to unscrew this part here to set up the leg. Once you unscrew it, just push it a little down. Okay. We're trying to straighten it down here. Okay. So push it down. It's going to give you the setup, and you screw it back. This is to set up the leg. Screw it back this way. Okay. Then you can increase the length to whatever height you want it. These are the screw for that. The first setup is going to be this one. I want to increase the length here, so I'll just unscrew this, take it up. I don't want to take it too long, so just keep it at this height so that the camera can pick what we're trying to do. This with the setup and all that. But if you want it to be longer than this, you have to unscrew this, and then the height is going to shoot way up. So this is the tripod stand down here. And let's see what we have inside this ring light here. What are inside this ring light? What you should be looking out for. So this one came with the bag where you can, in case you discard this carton, can be taking the bag with you. So I'm just gonna that one out there. Then this one came with the bag. That look nice. You can just go with this. Very touche, very poetic. Let's see what we're going to have down here. So I'm going to unzip the bag and then take out the ring light. This is an 18 inch, we also have 21 inch. Most of them are rechargeable, some of them are non-rechargeable, so you will need lights to really power them. This is the size of the ring light, enough to give you proper lighting. So I'm going to take this one down here. Now we're going to see the difference between what we're having here and when the ring light is actually on. You're going to feel the difference in the setup. So I'll keep this one here. What we also have inside is the adapter here. This adapter is AC/DC adapter. Just to make sure you don't blow up your ring light if there is power source and all that. So instead of your ring light to go bad, the adapter will go by itself. Then you can replace this instead of replacing this. Is quite expensive as well. Yeah. So and it also comes with the remote control. The remote control where you're going to set up everything, give it instruction, and it's gonna pick. So what else do we have inside this ring light here? I think that is all. Apart from that, we have the phone holder. This one came with a 3 phone holder. So, and then this is the point where you're going to fix your ring light. So let's start with the fixing proper. Let me take it closer to the camera so that we can see. So you take this phone holder here. Okay, this is where it's going to adjoin the light. So you just screw it a little. You screw it a little so that you can join it with the tripod. Put the tripod here. Screw it, fix it, make sure it's fixed, then you screw it back. Okay, that is it. As you can see, it's well fitted. So the next thing you're gonna do is this point here, you're gonna unscrew it and take it off so that you can fix your ring light. And you see, you can fix your ring light and then screw it back. So you take this point off, pick up your ring light, and then fix it in here. Okay. So once you do that, it's fixed. All you need to do is take this screw, put it back here, then screw it. That's what I'm going to do. Very simple. Although the ring light didn't come with manual, that's why you're having this setup so you can easily fix it when you have it. Okay. So it didn't fix well. So okay. You have to make sure the hole here fits in very well so that you can put in this. Who are fitting well, that's why the screw is going in. So put it in, then use this one here to tighten it up. Then you'll be good to go. So you see, our ring light is fitted up. Now at the back of this ring light here, let me reduce the light, tighten it up. At the back of this ring light here is the USB charging port where if you clamp your phone, you can plug your phone to charge while it's connected to the power source. So let's fix a phone holder. I'm just going to fix one of it because I just want to do a quick fix and then see how the ring light is going to affect the quality of our lighting and video overall. So I'm just going to fix one and then maybe at your leisure time you can try to fix the remaining three. So this is the phone holder here, the clamp, and then what's going to be used to fix the phone. So you just unscrew this one first. Screw this one first. Put in the ball head here. The ball head is fixed. Then you take this screw and fix it up. Very simple. It's fixed, so this is where your phone is going to get in. Now you're gonna put it down here, set it up. Our ring light is almost gonna be ready. So you see, you can adjust it this way, then fixing your phone. So our ring light has been set up. Now let's power it up. So we take it third, and then we take out this as well. This was used to hold the wire so that they don't splatter all around. So I'm just going to plug it in to the power source, and then straight to the power source. Now let's see how it's gonna look. Our ring light has been plugged, so this is the remote here. It has the power on and off button. Let me power it on so you see what we're going to have. Wow, see the difference? Now our ring light has been powered on. Let's see the different brightness levels. So I'm going to increase the Kelvin. See how bright it is. Barely making me to see well. You can also reduce it, so okay, if you want to have a softer light, you can also reduce it. See, all it has reduced. Now let's see the RGB. You can put it on red by pressing the RGB light. Have you seen the light effect you're having here? Green, red, blue, RGB. Wow. Put it off so we'll see the difference. Now look at this. No ring lights. Ring lights. So if you want to set your ring light to have proper lighting, how do you set up your lighting? Now if you're going to use your ring light as your main source of light, you're going to set it at a 45-degree angle. 45-degree angle. I'm going to make it stay at a 45-degree angle. Now, when it's at a 45-degree angle to the subject, I am the subject now, you realize that this side of my face is beginning to have some shadow. So, what do? You introduce a fill light, and the fill light is going to give you some shade of light down here. And that's how you can have a proper lighting for your YouTube channel. So you don't really have to break the bank to give yourself good lighting for your YouTube channel. You can just get the ring light and you will see the effect. As you can see, the effect of this lighting is okay. I'm not actually using a very sophisticated camera, it's just a phone. And then the ring light is making it look like I'm trying to get professional in some way. So that's how you set up your ring light. Let me take it off so that you see. Now look at what we have here. It's not nice. Put it on. The ring light comes back again. That's how proficient the light can be. So let me put it on the RGB. And then look at how cool this really look right now. Don't you like it? I'm sure you do. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you've not done so yet, and continue to support this channel. I remain Joshua Vic Manuel. I love you guys.